Removing bad odors from shoes is often a frustrating and unpleasant task, especially when sweat and moisture build up and create bacteria inside. However, there's a simple and extremely effective method that can eliminate odors fast and keep your shoes smelling fresh. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of baking soda and placing it into a thin piece of cloth paper towel napkin. This allows the baking soda to absorb moisture and neutralize odors. You can also add a few drops of essential oil if you want a fresh scent. I'm using tea tree oil here. Next, tie it off with a rubber band or hair tie to form a small pouch. Make 2 of these and place one inside each shoe, letting them sit overnight. This step is crucial because baking soda pulls out moisture and odor while stopping bacteria growth. The next morning, remove the pouches and lightly spray the inside of the shoes with 70% rubbing alcohol. This kills any remaining bacteria. Let the shoes dry completely, preferably in sunlight, and you'll notice they smell fresh, clean, and odor-free once again.